Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my space with another video. In such a beautiful climate, who misses to ride out, man? It's such a pleasant climate now. And by the way guys, we are heading to Pundi Dam, which is in Tiruvallur, and it's around 62 kilometers from here. We have the shortest route, but we are not taking that because it shows too many of traffic since it is one-way route. So we have planned to take the route from Vandalur and all the way to that place, and I will share you the link of the route so that if you really want to visit there, you can probably use the link. So today in the ride, it is me, Free Time Explorer, and Mojo Boy. I don't know if you have seen him in my video. Anyhow, I'll introduce you. By the way, I didn't know that close to 100 kilometers we have a dam here. Seriously, I didn't know about it. I've been living here for such a long time, and I didn't know that in this 100 kilometers we have this dam called Pundi Dam or Pundi Reservoir. Seriously, I didn't know it. Actually, back a week, a friend of mine, he told that there's a dam close by and why not we visit there. Said okay, let's do it. So we are almost like 3 kilometers away from here. Last time when we came here was drizzling and we had a beautiful climate, and see now it's quite hot. And on top of that, I am wearing my rain gear since it was raining while we came out from our place. And here it's so hot, and apart from that, the raincoat over it. So that is the reservoir, Pundi Reservoir. Pundi, I don't know how do you pronounce it properly. You can comment in the comment section. It's Pwndi, Pundi Dam, Pundi Reservoir. So here it is. So we're going to stop somewhere here. Okay, so this is a destination. So this is the dam I was telling you about. It's nice, right? They let us take a bike inside. It's quite big. So what we're going to do is we'll park the bike somewhere in front there, and then we'll park it here. So we reached the dam, and now let's unpack myself. It's getting very hot. We have a small guest, so I think she needs something. Okay, let's see what I can give her. So I just give it to her. Look at this the old lady. I don't know if I should say old lady and if it is correct to say old lady. So she just came out from nowhere because I didn't see her actually. Suddenly she came out from nowhere and she was like, give me something. Had a few changes, gave it to her. This is a dam I was telling you about. Here it is. This is a reservoir which is across Kotrala river, which is in Tiruvallur district. And to know something more about it, this is one of the important water sources to Chennai, which is like 60 kilometers from here. Yeah, this is how it looks. I wish they had a boating there and I would just go inside. And basically I'm expecting some rain. I don't think there will be any rain, but expecting if it would rain, it would be nice. Illa?
So what's your weather report on this?
Weather report, I don't think it'll rain, but who knows? It might.
It should have come by yesterday itself.
Yeah. So this should be around like 400 to 500 meters, I guess. What do you say, people? And there's nowhere written. Oh, they have mentioned it here. So number of gate is number 1, starting with 1 and all the way. So I'm not going to go on all the gate here, but yes, I'll make you jump to the last gate. Look down here, man, this is such huge gate. And can you see there? There's some water popping out from that. And those gates, right? The gate that comes in Lord of the Ring, The Hobbit, right? It's such huge, man. Just think about how water will be flowing out when it is open. It's hot, but can feel the breeze. It's chill. Look at this outlet. I don't know if this is Kotralai River. As far as I know, the construction happened here in 1944, I guess. 1940 or 1944, I'm not sure about that. Oh, we have an information here. Check this out. So what it is Satyamurti Sagar Reservoir at Pundi, hydraulic particulars. So they have mentioned the information. So you got the catchment area of 760 square miles. That is 1668 square kilometers. So number of vents in the regulator, we have got like 16 of them. I don't know what is this class, but the bridge is B class. Oh yes, I was right. Yeah, construction is mentioned here. It's around 1940 to 1944. That means this many years they took to complete this dam. So that costed around like 65 lakhs. Great. Okay. Let's go talk to Vicky. He must be busy doing his job. So this is all from Pundi Reservoir. If you would like to visit this place, I'll put the link in the description, so you can find it, and very well you can come to this place. And like I said, please do maintain the places. Don't throw plastics or water bottles. That would be the best thing you can do. I always prefer that. Last time I visited what's that place called, Parvat Malai, and after going there I was shocked to see those plastic bottles everywhere. I felt like, okay, if anyone's visiting there, even though you're using plastic bottles, see that you put the bottles in the bag or dispose in a proper place. So I really felt bad actually. That was such a nice mountain. People, they go there to get blessing from God, because there are temples there. And I suggest and I request devotees, those who travel, those who go to those such places, see that you take care of the places, because you'll feel good. You go there to get blessings and you do such work to the places there. That's not fair. So see that you take care of the places where you go. I think that level scale, right? They should be having that side, because I have seen a hut there. I think those who maintain this reservoir, right? Someone must be there, so I think it might be there only. Not sure.
So you didn't know swimming la? Theriyadala?
I know to swim, but I don't know how to float. So I have covered almost all the places here. That's for you. And now it's time to get some thumbnail, a beautiful thumbnail. Here, by the way, just write in a comment section that you know, the thumbnail that I put for my YouTube videos, how are the images. Please do write in a comment. I would love to know how do I take the images. So how about here? See, I wish if I could go there, all the way up there. I think we can go. I found the place. There's a staircase. Let's go. Have you seen those blocks there? Those blocks. Actually, those blocks are like, you know, to slow down the speed of the water. So
How many doors were there?
16 are there. And I'm not sure if you can see from here. There are some sticks, and you know, they have placed it. I think just to stop the water popping out from there, they have used.
What's the last time you met? Literally at Kanchanagiri.
Yeah. Hey, it's been long.
Really, almost like 2 months.
And in between, he went for 2 rides, I guess, right?
Not only one Kutralam.
Kutralam.
Only you went for 2 rides.
Yeah, maybe 2 or 3 I went.
What?
I went to Ansanai, Parvat Malay, Kollu.
You went again for Kanchanagiri. So
Yeah.
what the main thing is, he didn't vlog that time. While I was posting the video, he didn't vlog. So what he did now, he gone for the second time. And
No.
exactly,
The file got corrupted here.
it's not proper. The file got corrupted.
Corrupted,
The
yeah.
GoPro level problem of the Pola. So he went for the second time vlog. So see his dedication. Do subscribe.
CS here. We are doing so much for you all, you know. Subscribe to banta hai yaar. Subscribe zarur karna hai yaar. Zarur karna. The time is around like 10:30 and I'm hungry. I have told Vicky if we can start right now. On the way we have to have food also. I'm hungry actually. So this is all from Pundi Dam. In case if you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you're not new to this channels, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So this is all for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.